shit, it is leaking.
Bro, it's never been like that. That can't be just...
Oh man.
Yeah. Are you recording?
Bamba. Let's check that thing, bro. Open the trunk.
He really just threw the corn thing right in back there.
Jeez.
It's like, it's trash. Big up, man.
What happened here?
Bro, he broke it, man.
He broke that?
Oh, it's broken in there.
You were tied
It's
in
gonna be
that.
even harder to get out.
Just another day in paradise. Today we're bringing this amazing machine home, and the radiator still to be replaced. So we're gonna open the hood and top it off because it's a little low before we get going. And then in the near future, we're gonna replace the radiator and other parts that are around here. Yeah. Definitely low. Yeah, that's where she's leaking from. JB Weld doesn't work. Leah, if you're watching this, just so you know, JB Weld is not good.
And make sure you don't let your friend's car go to bottom lowest level of coolant when you're driving.
Yeah, don't let anyone drive your car unless you really trust that person.
Yep.
So you gotta be able to refill the coolant too. And then once we replace the radiator, we're gonna actually change the coolant color to blue. That way, it's gonna be all OEM.
I'm about to clean this up. Close it. Damn.
Oh, it's low.
It's pretty f***ing low too.
You gotta add more oil. What happened to it?
Oh, maybe not that bad.
Maybe you didn't put it all the way in?
Yeah,
Or?
no, I did put it all in now. Okay, we're fine. Hot in here the whole time.
Yeah, it was running hot, I know.
Okay, we're set.
Heater on, just in case. Like I said, the radiator is slightly heat. Yeah, you can drive without climate control, but if it starts overheating, either pull over or like turn on the heater full blast. It will help it. But we topped off the coolant right now. Like I said, guys, the radiator is bad. Needs to be replaced, which it will be getting replaced soon. But for now, it's just gonna. It is.
Yeah, it really is.
She's
It
smoking.
didn't even move at all.
Oh yeah.
No,
How's your temp gauge?
I think
Is she fine?
It didn't even move at all.
Okay.
No, I think he something up. It hasn't smoked.
Let's open the
It
hood.
really
It's okay.
hasn't.
No stress.
The gauge is like perfect, dude.
Okay, that's good. It's fine. I mean, it's still got plenty of coolant in there, you know, but it's just.
The only time I did that was when the hose is connected. It's such bullshit. It is hot.
Yeah, she's definitely leaking from here, from right there.
It was never this bad, dude.
It was never this bad.
Never.
Oh shit! It is leaking.
Bro, it's never been like that. That can't be just from that, dude. It cannot. These two. Alright, let's do this.
Kurwa.
Okay.
No.
It feels like a glue stick. Lucas knows how to use this.
We need Lucas right now. It's called Lucas, hey.
No.
Here
Yeah,
we.
I don't need any. Man.
Huh? Well, what do you do? Well, we got this stick right here. Maybe it will help us just to get home. Gotta clean this because the leak is insane. It's a pretty huge leak, bro. Crazy leak. Nice toolkit. I like it. I wish I had that type of toolkit, but unfortunately I don't. All right, guys. Well, we are having some adventures today. This amazing machine, it sat for about 2-3 months because Vi was doing other things. He was busy, and today we tried taking it home, and we knew that their radiator. Oh, you do have some zip ties.
Dude, this set comes with zip ties too.
Nice.
What the f?
Nice.
It's perfect.
This is perfect, man.
All right, let's get it done, bro.
All right, let's get it done.
Forever.
Yeah, me too. We gotta transport this amazing machine home, but this right here was JB welded, and unfortunately JB weld didn't hold up that well. So obviously, like, we just wanted to do like a temporary fix for it now, but we're gonna change the radiator and other parts, the coolant hoses, but right now we just need to get home with this amazing car. So we're gonna add some more of this, and we got a bunch of water, distilled water with us, so we can refill it.
Work clothes just to fix this shit.
Yep, he will wear whatever just to fix his car, or any car, any old school machine, so that's okay, you know.
Man,
Hell yeah, it's just a little too hot out here, especially with all the coolant and hot engine. So we're gonna work on this. This is the problem right here. But look at this amazing interior. Always admired the interior on this car. Yeah, that one is mismatched, that trim, but at some point we'll replace that. But the seats are still in awesome shape, and BMW smell and everything. It's pretty amazing. This is the panel that we replaced. So it's really awesome. A lovely machine. Huh?
Why you keep recording? Why you keep recording? Why you keep recording?
Why are you scared?
Get this done. It's getting late. I'm trying to get home by daytime.
So we gotta, yeah, we just gotta dry it out as much as we can.
Yeah, I did, but I don't know how else we can get in there. It's like down the thing.
You see, it's leaking mainly
There's
from
gotta
right
be
here,
other
from this crack, I believe. Yeah. Oh, got it. Nice. Slap it on, boy.
Now. What was that? Let's try on this.
Chemical experiment.
Oh, and then you like.
Yeah, you just do it like this. Roll it around a little bit, and then you just let's just say you just install it now. And it says the cure time is 1 hour, so it's not bad. Should be faster because the engine is hot. Fill all the crevices.
Overnight
Yeah.
it cures by the time I pick it up.
Yeah, bro.
And this was on Monday, bro. Today's Wednesday, bro. Come on, like, you know.
I don't like that. There you go. Slowly but surely.
Oh, damn, now I just Leo, how you think we're doing, my friend?
Leonid, what do you think about our
Like my
adventures?
titties? You like my titties?
Bambioshka. Chumaf, chumaf. Cool. We're like playing with nahui. Plastilin. Ooh. Delicious, bro. Can make pancakes, Vlad.
Because if the shroud stuck to that, you think it'll get stuck to it and break that too.
Yeah.
How long are we gonna wait?
I don't know, like 30 minutes maybe?
30?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm hungry. Then we might as well go to. I'll get.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and wait about 30 minutes for this thing to dry. Yeah, obviously not a professional job, but right now we just need to get home till we're able to replace the radiator. But we're about, I would say, 50-60 miles away from home, so we're gonna try to get her home tonight, hopefully without any issues or overheating. Yeah, but this amazing machine is really awesome. Vlad actually drove this car from Chicago to Colorado multiple times without any issues. This amazing machine feels really good. It's super comfortable. Awesome, great car. I love Bimmers. I love old school German cars. Just any old school cars are always in my heart and my blood. And yeah, not just old school Mercedes, but BMWs as well. Yeah, that leak is pretty bad, and we just realized after driving it. So yeah, gonna end up cleaning this a little bit while I'm here, while I'm waiting for Vlad to come back, just to make this thing nicer.
No, it says like. Anders.
That's the t-shirt that Vlad got right there.
The shorts.
Ready for Halloween right here.
Shorts match the other car.
It's called Mechanic Special. From now on, this shirt is called Mechanic Special right there.
For mechanic work.
Yes,
Like Vito.
just like me today. Unusual.
I'm gonna go no.
Open it, Vlad.
Was spent on clothes.
Yeah.
Ay, kurwa. Man, you recorded all that? You asshole. You asshole. You asshole. I should get extra large mac and cheese and then. This sure won't fit anymore, this new shit.
Yeah.
Fine, I'll get Popeyes.
Yeah. Yeah. Go to Popeyes, Chukcha. You'll probably need the key, fool.
Why do I need a key?
Oh wait, that's a house key. Never mind.
Why would I need a key?
Oh, you're going? You're walking? All right. Sounds good. See you soon, Chukcha. Bum bum bum.
A few moments later.
All right, this situation is getting better. It's Still a little soft, but it's a lot better now. But you know, what are you gonna do? You have to get your amazing machine home. Cleaned up this a little more. Right there. Vlad, you're back. I was worried where you were. I was scared.
The machine wasn't working to pay. I took out for free.
Nice, no way, really?
I should have.
Oh, what? Damn, Chukcha, you should have. What the hell?
I'm like trying to say,
what happened? What happened with the machine?
I have to get gas.
What happened with the machine?
I had to reboot, just like this shit.
Oh. But it's okay. There's something positive. I cleaned this tray for you right here. Look.
Like meat out of it.
Yeah, exactly. It's nice and clean now. It used to be really dirty.
He's the only one with leaks. No wonder why my car now has a bigger leak.
Yeah, he's a leaky guy.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we are ready to leave right now. We're gonna start it up and see how it goes, but we have to get going. So even if it leaks a little, that's fine. We have it topped off. So far, so good. Come on, Vlad. Just watch the temp. Good? Damn, Vlad, why you got your lights on? Yeah. Temp is holding good for now?
Yeah, it's like
all right.
try and keep up now.
Yeah, Lexus is not that fast. It's not as fast as the BMW. So I think it's so far it's somewhat holding, like that JB weld that we put on. Somewhat holding, because I'm not seeing a lot of leaks or anything. I mean, I'd be seeing big puddles right now, like while driving, because we were just at the stops, or like the stoplight, and there was I didn't see much, and so far it's been good. He would have pulled over if it was overheating. Look at that. Yeah, damn, she's been holding temperature. Nice. It's good.
Look at this.
It's awesome. All good.
Come here.
What? 27 mpg. Wow, that's impressive. That's awesome.
Yeah, it said check one level when we left the gas station, but